Hello guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can block someone on Google Chat. So if you are find someone is know you on the Google Chat, you can easily block them. I'm going to show you how you can just open your Gmail apps and then go to the Google Chat by clicking on this chat tab at the bottom. Okay, so for example here I want to block someone in this conversation list. For example, I'm going to block this one. So just click on this, and after that you can click on the three dots icon at the top, or just click on the name. Click on this names at the top, and there will be this option to block and report. So tap on that. So after this, they won't be able to message you directly, and their messages in the space will be hidden for you, but they can still read any message you send to the space. Here, if you want to also report them, you can just check this box, but if you're not, just click on the block option. Just like that, now the person has been blocked. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.